Greetings and welcome back to the channel. Thank you to all of our new subscribers. And for those who keep smashing the like button, thank you to you too. To start off, apologies, there was no clickbait intended, but this episode is about a new strategy by the Colorado Parks and Wildlife employing a unique way to control brook trout populations for the purpose of cutthroat trout conservation. Brook trout are native to cold water streams in eastern North America, but not to Colorado. These fish are able to outcompete native trout species in many places where they have been stocked in the western United States, not unlike non-native trout introduced to native brook trout waters in the eastern United States. And while non-native trout frequently create excellent sport fishing opportunities in some scenarios, they are also a hindrance to native trout conservation. Removing brook trout is a common technique to restore cutthroat trout populations, typically accomplished by depopulating stream reaches with chemical treatments or by physical removal. In some cases, these approaches are not successful or are not suitable in locations where cutthroat trout are also present. The state of Colorado is employing a new technology referred to as Trojan Male brook trout, or YY brook trout, which can potentially eliminate unwanted wild brook trout populations by incrementally eliminating female brook trout while leaving the existing cutthroat trout unharmed. In the development of Trojan Male YY brook trout broodstocks, very young brook trout are exposed to the female hormone estradiol in their feed at a specific level and for a specific length of time. The treatment makes the male fish egg producers. These egg-producing males are then bred with normal XY males, resulting in 25% of the offspring having 2Y chromosomes. This generation of YY males is exposed to more estradiol, and now we have a generation of YY males, and these are still genetically male, but laying eggs. This process allows the hatchery to have a group of egg-producing YY males and a group of sperm-producing YY males, which are kept for broodstock. Trout, like most other biology, have fish that have 2 X chromosomes for female fish, and males would naturally have an X and Y chromosome. This should sound familiar to anyone who has taken middle school level biology. And hence, when the males are hormonally treated to create these very unnatural YY chromosomal males, it essentially acts as more of a terminator gene in the wild populations, as much as calling it Trojan perhaps. Fundamentally, these hatchery-bred Trojan brook trout break the natural reproductive cycle, the most effective way at controlling wild populations. Other than Idaho Fish and Game, only Colorado Parks and Wildlife has accomplished this task. The final step to eradication of brook trout in their non-native streams is accomplished by stocking large numbers of the YY male Trojan brook trout into a lake or stream to overwhelm the naturally producing normal males. The YY males cannot produce female offspring, hence they will eventually die off. Because the technique of using Trojan male brook trout as a means for cutthroat trout conservation efforts does not release chemicals or hormones directly into the stream, as well as being much less labor intensive, it is being researched as a significantly more ecological answer to our conservation needs. And the results from early evaluations suggest optimism for future conservation efforts. If you've enjoyed this video, please catch us a like and subscribe for more like this on all subjects, trout conservation and trout catching. See you on the next one.